Welcome to this advanced video on multiplying and dividing. So if you're watching this, you've got a pretty good understanding of multiplication and division and like the multiplying and dividing algorithms, and you understand like ideas of like maybe area multiplication, for example, where you do 15 times 24, and you could represent that as 10 and 5 and 20 and 4, and you could use that to figure out the areas of 4 different parts, and that would allow you to get the total product. So if you're pretty comfortable with doing this, then this video is for you. So consider we're going to go 3 and 2/10 times 2 and 5/10. So 3.2 times 2.5. Think about this area model. So here we could draw a rectangle, make it 3 and 0.2. And here we can make this 2 and 0.5. Obviously this isn't proportionate, but it gets us the main idea. So now we can do this multiplication. 3.2 times 2.5, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 0.5 is 1.5, 0.2 times 2 would be 0.4, and 0.5 times 2 would be 0.1. So altogether, we add this up, 6 and 1.5 is 7.5, and 0.4 gives us 7.9. 0.1 gets us to a really nice even 8. So we can use this area model to represent more difficult multiplication problems. So you could try some problems like this. So you could try some decimal problems. Say 0.25 times 0.3, for example, or maybe times 1.3. So you try problems like that, which would hone your multiplication skills in a more advanced way, or you could try maybe something like this. You can calculate the volume of something if you know the height of it, the depth of it, and the width or the length of it. And you can find the volume is 2 times 4 times 5. Consider how we can use this model to represent something like 12 times 13 times 7. We could think using this exact same area model. We could represent the idea of 10 and 2, and the idea of 13, which is 10 and 3. And here we have a sort of plane. That would be the 12 times 13. And we could represent the next multiplication as a depth of, say, 7. Could you visualize this multiplication problem? Think about how to do this. Can you visualize this? See if you can find the product of this using this visual. Or maybe try 2.56 times 4.5. So you're getting into 3 digits, but in just 2 dimensions. Or maybe you could try 2 and 3 quarters times 3 and a half. Just get rid of that. You could try these, and they're a good neuron builder. So this is an advanced way to multiply. You can think about multiplication and how it relates to dimensions of space. You can think about how it relates to mixed number fractions. You can think about how you might do the algorithm to multiply multiple digit numbers, and so on. So give some of these a try, and I'll see you in the next video.